What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2017 Cadillac XT5. Like I said, it's a 17 XT5 in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these cabin air filters if you're in need. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Then if we take a look on the right hand side, we see this dampening cord right here. So what I'm going to do is grab this cord and then I'm going to pull down on this whole little plastic piece. So I'm going to pull down and then I'm going to pull out to the right and it'll come off like that. And once you have it unhooked, you can let go and it'll just kind of retract up into there. Now what we need to do is push in towards the center from both sides on the glove box. And if you have both your hands free, it's easier to do these both at the same time. But what we're going to do is push in, and you can kind of see this little stop right here that my finger's on. That's what needs to clear. So push in towards the center. It'll come down just a little bit. Come over here and same thing, towards the center. And once that comes down and we take a look up behind here, this item right here is going to be the access door to the cabin filter. Now, like I said, this is a 17 XT5. If you have an 18 or newer, you're going to have a screw right here, a Torx bit screw in this tab right here that you'll need to remove. So once you remove that screw, or if you're working on a 17 as we are, this door is ready to come off. And there's two tabs, one right here that kind of pushes in and pulls out, and then there's another little one right here that you can kind of just push up with your finger. And then the left side of that is just hooked on. You can kind of see those two loops. So once we get the access door off, we see our actual filter right here. And I'm actually waiting for this filter to come, so I'm going to have to come back to this. But when you put your new filter in, make sure you're paying attention to the airflow. You want your airflow going down towards the floor. So once you have your new filter, you'll slide that in, again with the airflow going down. And now we'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. So I'm going to grab my access door, and the first thing I'm going to do is kind of hook that left side on. You can see there's those two tabs that are going to go in that loop. So hook that on, and once you get the left side hooked on, it'll just snap on. And if you're working on an 18 or newer, go ahead and put your screw back in. Now what we need to do is grab this dampening cord that we unhooked in the beginning of the video. And it may just be hanging as this one is. Sometimes it kind of goes up into this space and you'll need to reach behind here and just kind of get it with your finger. But once you have that cord, go ahead and pull it down and out of the way. Then with my other hand, I'm going to pick up on the glove box until those two stops clear, and the glove box will stay up like that. Then if we take a look at this plastic piece this dampening cord's hooked onto, you can see there's a skinnier end and a little bit of a fatter end. You want your skinnier end on the top like that. And then you're just going to put it back into that hole and hook it back on there like that. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.